Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
इंडिया आघाडीचे कुडके जावपाची परिस्थिती. पश्चिम बंगाल पंजाबात टीएमसी आप एकला चलो रे. गोंयांत काँग्रेसूय तेच वाटेर. युरी म्हणटा दोन्ही सिटांचेर उमेदवार दवरपाची तयारी. बीजेपीक हरोवपाक युती जाय अशेंय तो म्हणटा. 27 तारखेक काँग्रेसीची खंय स्क्रीनिंग कमिटी येता.
Whatever has been discussed, as I told you, the status of Goa, we have also not got any clarity. But we want the alliance to happen. It is in Goa's interest that we don't divide ourselves. If we divide ourselves, then BJP gets the advantage. आमचो प्रयत्न हा की आम्ही सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जायन इलेक्शन. We have to look at everyone's interest and the interest of Goa fight rather than a divided house. And we have announced as the Congress party that we are going to contest both the parliamentary seats.
सो पूण जेन्ना तुमी बोथ द पार्लमेंटरी सीट कॉन्टेस्ट करता म्हणटा तेन्ना पळय आपाचे जे आमदार आसा ते म्हणटात तांकां सीट जाय आनी
Definitely they are two MLAs. They have asked for it. So let us see what the centre decides, whether the alliance is going to take place or what is the future. I think we will know in a short time. On the 27th, our screening committee is also coming down from Delhi to speak about the parliamentary election. Definitely things are moving at a fast pace.
पूण गोव्यान उरतेली तुमची जी अलायन्स आसा ती स्ट्रॉंग उरतेली कित्याक एक पार्टी जर गोव्यातली टीएमसी आसा ती भायर सरली. सो उरले फक्त तुमी आनी आप.
TMC Biosolutions is a statement in Bengal. Overall, she's not come out of the India alliance. I don't think she's come out because they're contesting polls individually. Now, definitely, whether this is part of the strategy or what is, I think everyone knows. It's an open secret. But definitely, the need of the hour is that all of us should work together.
प्रुडंटा खातीर साहिल मांद्रेकार.